Hi everyone, for today's video, we're going to talk about Conda environments, what they are, why they are useful, and how to create them. I'd like to think of Conda environments like containers or environments that contain your Python packages that's separate from your system. Sometimes you have projects that require certain packages and they may possibly conflict with the rest of your system. And it's something that you want to avoid. So it's best practice to use environments such that you have one environment corresponding to some projects, and this environment contains the Python packages that you need for these projects, and you have confidence that they don't affect the rest of your system. Now that we know what environments are and why they are useful, how do we create one? We assume that you already have Anaconda installed. If you haven't, please check my other video how to install Anaconda. The first thing we need to do is open up terminal and type conda create -n. And we're telling Anaconda to create a new environment for us with a name. In our case, myenv. You can name it however you want. You can indicate what Python version to use. In our case, we will be using Python 3.8. Press enter. It will ask you if you want these packages installed. So just press Y. And there we have it. We have a new environment called myenv. Now you have a bunch of instructions here how to activate the environment, how to deactivate. Activating the environment means we want to move to that environment. So let's try that out. Conda activate myenv. You will notice that we have moved to myenv and it's indicated here. So now we can install whatever package we want. So let's say conda install numpy. We're telling Anaconda to install numpy into our myenv environment. Proceed, yes. There you go. So we have installed numpy in myenv and we're confident it doesn't affect the rest of our system. Now let's say we want to leave this environment. We simply type conda deactivate. And we're back to our default environment. And in this case, it's called base. That's it for today's lesson on what environments are, why they are useful, and how to create them. See you in our next video.